can I find 5 cars with horsepower claims that are actually believable? The world of horsepower claims is a wild ride, full of numbers that sound too good to be true. As car enthusiasts, we've all been there, scrolling through specs, drooling over promised performance, only to find reality doesn't quite match up. Today, we're counting down the top 5 cars with the most unrealistic horsepower claims. It's a topic that's both fascinating and often heatedly debated among gearheads. When manufacturers make horsepower claims, they're usually trying to sell us on a dream. But sometimes, those dreams are built on numbers that are more fantasy than fact. The core problem here is that there's no universal standard for measuring horsepower. This leads to discrepancies, and occasionally, outright misrepresentation. It's not just about fibbing for marketing, it's also about the bragging rights that come with boasting the highest horsepower figures. The impact on consumers can be significant. Imagine buying a car expecting it to deliver a certain level of performance, only to find it's not even close. It leads to disappointment, mistrust, and in some cases, costly legal battles. For the industry, it creates a murky landscape where actual performance can get lost in the shuffle of marketing hype. Let's dive into our top 5 list. First up is the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, which claimed 707 horsepower. Real-world tests put it slightly lower but still close. However, the controversy really brews when we look at cars like the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, which in some iterations claimed over 300 horsepower, but real-world tests often showed significantly less. The Koenigsegg Agera RS claimed 1,340 horsepower, but getting it to that number requires very specific conditions. Then there's the Hennessy Venom GT, boasting 1,244 horsepower. Yet its testing conditions were so controlled that many questioned the validity of those claims. And let's not forget the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus, with its 1,600 horsepower claim, a number achievable only under very specific circumstances. But one car stands out from the rest for sheer audacity. The car that takes the cake for the most egregious horsepower claim discrepancy is the SSC Ultimate Aero. With a claimed 1,287 horsepower, real-world tests struggle to hit even 800 horsepower. That discrepancy is staggering. The story behind it involves a combination of aggressive marketing and perhaps a bit of wishful thinking. In conclusion, the takeaway from these 5 cars is clear. Skepticism is key. Manufacturer claims, especially those that sound too good to be true, often are. Independent testing and verification are crucial in getting a true picture of a car's performance. So, what do you think? Are there cars out there with horsepower claims that you believe are pure fantasy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're as obsessed with the automotive world as we are, be sure to subscribe for more content that challenges the status quo. Hit like, share, subscribe, and become part of the most wanted family.